Look out for yourself. Wake up to the sound of the silence that allows for my mind to run around with my feet up to the ground. I'm searching to behold the stories that are told when my back is to the world that was smiling when I turned. Tell you you're the greatest, but once you turn, they hate us. All the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Look out for yourself. My enemy. Look out for yourself. But I'm ready. Your words up on the wall. And you're praying for my fall. And the laughter in the halls. And the names that I've been called are stuck in my mind. And I'm waiting for the time when I show you what it's like to be worth beating a mind. Tell you you're the greatest. But once you turn, they hate us. All the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Look out for yourself. My enemy. Look out for yourself. My enemy. Brave or wave. I swear I'll never be a saint. No wave. My enemy, brave or wave. I swear I'll never be a saint. Look out for yourself.
In the stadium lights, under starry night, you were my quarterback, you held me tight. But the game's over now, and I'm on my own. I never thought I'd see the day that you would ever go away. You were my touchdown, my winning play, but now it's the end of the game. I was a boy you could claim. You were my end zone, thought you felt the same, but now it's a one-player game. You left me out in the rain. You threw the ball, I caught it with grace, but now I'm here standing in this lonely place. Our love is in the end zone, but it's on the wrong side. I see you out there in a new uniform. I can't help but feeling a little bit torn. The crowd has gone silent, and the shirts have all died.
Hello everyone. I decided to start with Metallica today. I hope you're not against it. I'm going to start like in 1-2 minutes, just enjoying the music. Okay guys, first of all, have a great weekend. Today we're going to talk about, as always, we're going to talk about crypto, like Bitcoin, etc., and all the altcoins. I'm going to give you some coins that we are thinking to hold for a long time. That are on our side. Also, as always, we're going to talk about DXY, Euro, gold, indexes. If someone wants me to check something else, I will be happy to. I decided not to talk about Australian dollar and British pound. Maybe we will touch British pound a bit, because it's everything is the same. They fall on Euro. Euro is the most technical, and if we just talk about the Euro, it's just enough for you to understand what Australian dollar and British pound will do. Consider 2 Euro, they're more volatile, so if you want to trade safe, just go and trade Euro. If you want a bit more gains and more volatility, you can always trade these pairs. I won't touch stocks much, because most people they don't want to, but if you want me to have a look at them, feel free to I will check them. But this is the plan for tonight. Before we start, don't forget to like this stream, hit the notification button, and also you can join our Discord channel, where you can find a lot of interesting stuff. We went to a VIP section, but we still have free calls and free chat. But if you wanna purchase a VIP membership, you can do it, and it's easy to do. And right now we have a great discounts. Also, from anyone who been watching this, who is watching the stream and who will be watching the stream, our price will be only $25, and we won't increase it. This is little discount while we're watching the stream if you want to buy it during the stream, and we'll give you the great discount, so it's only half the price. Okay, so let's start. Let me turn on some music. No. This one. Okay, so as always, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Let's go on the weekly time frame. On the weekly frame, nothing changed, except we took liquidity from this high, and we took internal liquidity from these lows, right? This is what happened. What do we have here? We still have liquidity lower, and we have unfilled zone. But if we look at BTC in 2021, before pump, this is what happened. Look at this. This happened exactly what we have here. So is it possible that we will go up here till 55-60k? Yes, it's possible. Is it possible that we will go longer? Yes, but we'll look at chart, and if we use Elliott waves, I'm not specialist in Elliott waves, Pavel knows it. So this is basically the last drop on BTC before next pump. So if it's true, and we will go higher, and we won't go lower, then it was like last drop to take liquidity and fill like the last gaps before like next move up. And next leg can be till 58 to like all-time high 69k. It's possible, yes. And then we can see something like this, and then move up to like 100k. So right now we will see, and we don't trade BTC. We have to look on something else, because if we look here, even if till all-time high, we have 60%, right? If we open something like SUI that broke all-time high, that's all. It was all-time high on SUI, and we broke it. The potential of this one, I want to show you like one chart that did the same. So like this, let's say this. From here it's at 280%, but if we will start like it's from the beginning around here, you can see the potential. You can see the potential, right? Because like for our understanding of the crypto market, from what we know, this is like one of the like strongest coin in the market right now. And if you look on CoinGecko, was I do you hear me well? CoinGecko. So of course SUI. Did they edit? It's lagging so hard. Jesus Christ. So it has like almost like 2 billion capitalization, right? And daily volume almost $260 million, which is like crazy, and price will keep going up. In our opinion, it's like really like a strong project. Another project that we're looking at, it's ICP. It still has like a lot of potentials, especially like after this drop. If we look at the weekly candle, and it can go up. And look at like volume. When you like trading coins like this, you have to look at the volume. Just look at this. This setup, like pre-pump setup, especially like, so it's been like consolidating. Let's look here from this drop. It's been consolidating for almost a year, right? And working in gods, so the target will be like this high at least. It can go higher. It can go higher till all-time high. It can, but first target will be this one. If we will see the same pictures that we see lower here. So imagine all this sinus, all this will be consolidation for like 3 years before next pump. But even so, like from current level, it can go like 600%. Okay. So now, what we're gonna look at, we will check DXI. What we have here on Dixie, we have a huge range. Like, what is it? And this is like distribution, or it's like consolidation. What is this? When you see like pictures this, when you see like deviation and then test of this deviation, this is extremely bullish. I still think DXY extremely bullish on weekly time frame. Let's go like on a daily time frame. What we can see here on the daily time frame, we exactly on a 0.5 of like daily. And also look at this candle. It's like we absorb all this consolidation that we had in this area. This is extremely bullish for DXY. So what can I expect from all USD pairs? We will go lower. On Euro, we probably will go to test like this deviation, especially with like reports that we had previous week, because we tested like everything. We still have equal highs. We might have like one more pump. If we have like reverse, we're going lower. Also, we have TA from Pavel. I will send it to like Discord community, the trading chat and Discord community. I will send it to the free chat. Okay. So look at this. So this is like Euro, right? So we still have, it's like on 3 days. We still have a lot of liquidity. Okay, this is only 50 minutes, so there's also channel in his opinion on like 4 hours. So this channel can break up, or we keep slowly going down. I haven't looked at it, but I saved this analysis on the Euro in the free chat. So like if everyone wants to have a look, I will send the link for our Discord in the chat on YouTube. So like on a daily, it's extremely bearish because it's like was full absorption. Let's go like on 4 hour. What we can see on 4 hour here, we have a huge fair value gap. It's also inverse like fair value gap because we have like bullish fair value gap right here that was filled with bearish fair value gap, right? So this is extremely important zone, and we have to look at reaction here. So what can happen? We can have to look how week will open, right? 1 second, I need to click this up. We have to look how week will open. If we will go down and we will take like previous weekly low, then I will be consider only long position till this fair value gap, and then I will be looking at like in this area, and we'll be looking for short. If I see like a reverse like pattern, something like this, then I will enter like short position. If we will go up with and will form and will I forgot this word, invalidate this like fair value gap with extremely bullish move, so something like this. This is like will be for we'll be looking for long position, right? I have to like look at this point of interest zone. What exactly will happen here? 1 second. I have to look at it. Then another scenario, we're going up from here, like the market opens with a gap and we're going up, right? Again, I'm looking like for short position and going like lower, and target will be this low. So let's like make a conclusion. So if we're opening and we're not taking these equal lows that have been formed, by the way, equal lows right here, let's mark them. Equal lows. Right. We like form this equal lows. We also let's mark them and set an alarm. Then we have alarm here. Now if like we open and go like up, this is like will be extremely bearish like to me. Yeah, maybe like we'll scalp like some trade inside the day, but in general, hello Rick, don't worry, all good. The beauty of the stream that you can always check a like record, you can check the board. Anyway, so I've been saying that we have like equal lows here, and if we open and go and price goes higher, I will be looking for like short position. If we rate this previous weekly low and this equal lows and form some kinda like something like this, I'll be looking for a long position. But when price will come to, like, to this area, I will have to look closely and see how price will react, because this is bearish point of interest zone, and if we still have this equal lows, my target will be this specific low. Also, don't forget, we have this analysis that Pavel did. On 30 minutes we're in range, and he's like right. On 30 minutes. Where's the fuck? It's 3 days. 3 days. 3 days we're in range. Yeah, this one. You see? So we also can just rate this low like this and go like up higher. It's possible too, but it's like for a long run. I'm talking about like next week. I'm talking about next week. Hello, Chris and Krilo. Moali, you should understand, and when you open a trade, you have to set the rules for you. So when I enter in position, I can risk up to 2%. It's not ideal, but when I manage like someone's account, for example, I have like few accounts that I manage, and one account has like 100k, right? On this account, I open position with 0.25% risk, no matter what. So my maximum open risk 0.5%. So I cannot make more than 1% on this account. This is a rule that we agreed with the customer. On my personal accounts, I open like with 0.5% or like 1% risk, like per trade. But again, I'm using strategy. By the way, you can find the strategy on our YouTube channel. It's like free, by the way. It's a free trading course. Like, you just need to watch it and practice it, and I can guarantee to you, you will have like 80-90% of the rate with trade. Yes, you won't take like 20 trades a day. You will be taking 2-3 trades a week, but you can risk like up to 1% on this specific trade, on this trade, and you will be making a shit ton. Last week I took with my strategy I took like 4%, like 4 trades, and this like 4 trades made me 12% with 1% risk per trade, because one trade it was like 4 risk reward ratio, like another like 2, and so on average it was 3. And on Friday we took like trade on gold, we shorted gold on the news, and we made like 0.5% on Discord calls, and I made about like 1% on my personal account. That's it. So the strategy is like simple. Like, let me like show you an example that I took. Yeah, this one. I'll show you an example of the strategy. Same. We'll go in 1 minute. So this is Frankfurt, this is London session. This is last lower high. It's been taken with fair value gap, this one. Right? That's it, I can enter here. I can enter right here or wait to fill up this fair value gap, but I usually enter right away. So my stop is how many pips? Let me see. 9 pips. 9 pips. Or like 0.8%. 9.1 pips. Is my entry. My target, first target, daily open. So 1 to 3 risk reward. And let's watch what happened here. I'll go to like 15 minutes so it will be faster. And just look. This is my trade. Then I took like 1 more trade right here, after out to like New York midnight, and my target was previous daily high or like these highs. But I could have just hold this my trade, right? That's all. PM session, I'm out of here. 1 to 9. I always wait to market shift with fair value gap and test it. Okay. You can be more conservative, as this is your entry. 1 to 5. It's super safe like strategy. Just like look at our like free training course. Yeah, don't forget to like the stream. It will help a lot. And this is like so simple. Like I don't understand like why people want to like scalp and open like 20-30 trades and like lose money by the end of the day. You can open like 1 trade, like this specific trade, this one, right? In London session, let's say like this one, the trade, and then you can be done for the rest of the day. You don't need to trade. Like this is what this highs will be your target. That's it. You don't need to trade anymore. You open trade, you sit in this trade like okay till like 8 p.m. That's fine for my time. So basically you open trade at like 2 p.m. 6 hours in this trade and you're done, and you have like 5% on this trade with like 1% risk. That's it. If you open trade like me, it's almost like 10% with 1 single trade. I just like don't understand like why people like want to like open like 20 like 30 trades like a day. Like for what? You open like you have the right strategy where you can execute trades like perfectly. This is like our trade in gold. Like look at this. This was obvious. We also like took liquidity, and this was signs that we will go lower, and we like went down like till previous daily low. And now like on the gold, look at this. This will be my area where I'll be looking like for some like reversal. So this one, fuck, this one. Okay guys, like I'll get some water. I'll be right back like in 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. So I know like you maybe think, oh, okay, he already saw he already like saw like price action. He knows like where the price will go, and why the fuck should I believe him? Okay, so first of all, this is a profit. So I post my trades online, and I'm okay to like show like where I'm losing. If you just go to recap, you will see this. You will see this. Every single trade that we took for the past like 8 months, you can find here. As you can see, we're like completely okay with like losing. So 50% rate. It's like we're completely okay with losing. Like every single trade that we took, we showed it. It's not a big deal for us. So also, like when you're trading live, like this, right? Like I showed in Euro. One thing that people who showed like recap on like YouTube, like on socials, it's hard to see how candle like forms because this is like completely new. Because when I open like 1 hour, right, or like 30 minutes, the picture is clear. But when you look at a chart live, like in an exact like same moment, candle like can become bearish or bullish, and you don't know. And you have to wait for like closure. And this is the hardest part, like when you trade. You have to look at the candle, and you have to wait. Because if like for example, you're trading and in one moment candle became bearish, and like it's like a very bad position for you. You have to have like exit plan. For example, here I've been looking at like 1 hour chart, and when I saw like this candle, I was thinking, all right, okay, if this specific candle and next candle will close like below this line, I will cut my position because my stop was right there. You have to have like exit plan. Like so many people have been asking me, what should I do? Like what should I do? Like, should I close or should I not? The thing is, you have to have exit plan every time when you enter in like position. When I entered like my position right here, I had exit plan, specifically on this candle, 1 hour candle. If we close below this, I'll cut my position and my loss will be only half of what I put here. Right, this is like something that you have to consider, and not so many people tell you this, so keep it in mind. Okay, next gold. I already like talked about it. We shorted it, we took liquidity from top to bottom. We're probably like in range, this one. If price will bounce from here and then we return, so my target will be at this highs. Maybe something like this will happen. The price will go like lower or like high. I have to see reaction like from this zone, this fair value gap, specifically in the like premium market. But I will indicate this range, like this potential range, this one, because like most of liquidity here, it will be a huge resistance zone. And if we break this zone, if we break this zone, we will go higher. We're gonna look on the daily, and we will go like to grab like these highs. But in general, we have huge liquidity like lower. Let's go like on futures. Yeah, on futures we just like test this fair value gap. On futures we are bullish. This is funny. This is like really funny. It's such like crazy picture. It can go like any direction from this point. Yeah. On indexes like Nasdaq. Oh, is it over? Yeah, it's over on Nasdaq. We took like previous week and month highs. This one, and it's all-time high, and we're in the range on Nasdaq. I have to like see like how week will open, but I'm bearish. It can open like this, or we'll go like straight down. Yeah, let me see. Yeah. On the futures we didn't close it, by the way. So we have equal highs on the futures, and futures is more important because more liquidity. So probably we'll have something like this. So we'll have like pump and then we have dump, but we have like reports. I'll have dividends, so market won't tank. Yeah, we have dividends, so I don't think the market will tank. After dividends, probably, yeah. So like in a couple of weeks. We also have like Pepsi report. I don't think Dow will go down. Yeah. Hello, Boda. Hello. Let me see RTY index. So if you want to long something, RTY the best choice so far. RTY index. Let's go like on a weekly, because on RTY index we still have like room to grow, and we like took like lows here. Let me see. 1, 630. Yeah, we still have equal lows here. Equal lows here. Well, it's like internally taken. So if we go like lower, this one, in this line. Fuck. Then like we will go lower to take this equal lows. If not, it will pump for the next high, this one. Something like this. But if you want to like long something, this is the best choice so far. This is like RTY index. Something like this. On oil, I think like oil will go down, especially like on this candle. This is like full absorption. This is a huge like order block on the daily. This is like an order block on daily. Like imagine all this like volume, it has to like break it. Yes, nah. If you want to like trade oil, this is your next target. This equal lows. You have plenty of liquidity like lower, so it will go down. What is the room like for it? Well, 7%. So it will take the previous monthly low as this equal lows. I don't think it will go like lower if this happens. Imagine you can like long a long oil like from here, just like put your all money and you'll be set for life. This is the best long in your life. Unfortunately, 17. Yeah, like just like entering like on this candle. Yeah, if you talk like about like oil, this will be your target. We also have like this trend line, and we just like on it. It's like force touch. We will probably like slightly like go with something like this, and then like we'll break it out down on the news, and will be this target. But if we break above this high, it will keep going up higher to take this equal highs. Okay, something like this. Let me see. Okay. Something like this. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be here like for a couple minutes. And then we'll be gone. We'll be gone. By the way, like we're also like planning like some interesting stuff for the VIP section. In the VIP section, as you like know, we have crypto spot calls like Forex, like stocks. We will introduce like copy trading soon for like Forex market. It will be on like Vantage broker, really nice one. We also on the VIP section have long term like crypto and like stocks. Currently stocks, like we not consider to open any long term stocks position because as you can see, Nasdaq at all-time high, which is extremely I would say this scary. And open long position on all-time highs, like why do you need to do this? Will you open on AMD now? Like I want to see like at least like for correction, right? If we're talking about AMD, I want to see like some correction. Like on the Microsoft, like it's all-time high. I want to see some correction. On Tesla, it can, you can buy it here. Yeah, it's already like in great discount, but it can go lower. If it will go till 100, I will buy it. No doubt about it. Nvidia now, like they want to buy here. Now we will have like a gap right there, and it's like tank to fill this gap, like for sure. What else? Meta, like it just like pump hard. You could have like buy Meta right here, like around like $100. Why do you want to buy Meta like with 5 times higher the price? No, like right now, like we will wait. Stocks is just like buy and hold. Like it's not like speculating. You can speculate on options, but we don't trade options because with options, in the moment like when I message like I'm in, and people will find everything to buy, it already will be out. So with options I can be like in a trade like for like few minutes or few hours. So what's the point of me to call entry on like specific like option, right, like on the meta, etc., when I will be in and out? Do I need that? No. And like some constructions like for options like too hard to understand and too complex. People don't need that. Like crypto easier, like in my opinion, like it's like way easier. Like Forex is the same. Because like it's x10 leverage, like in like option in like on average, right? So if it moves 0.3%, which can happen like really fast. Let's open AMD for example on 5-minute chart, because I've been like trading AMD like intraday with like a large amount, like with like 15 million. You like enter like position here, right? You just like bounce. Let's go like 1 minute. You enter in like after like this breakout. Your stop will be like 0.66%. Your target is highest like with 1 to 2, or this one. It's your trade. Yeah, you can like make a shit ton of money. So here it's about 156%, or maybe more on options. I don't remember exactly, but yeah, you can enter here. This is like very like technical trader trade, but in general, no, so you can like also snipe it out of this order block, but you have this huge gap here, which can be like a target, and probably will be the target, because like when share like open with the gaps, you can just see like it always feels it, always, right? It always feels and gives like some reaction, and then we have gap here, which will be like filled and get like reaction again. So like open like any long position with this like price action will be like suicide basically. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any question, like feel free to join our Discord channel, and have a nice day. Bye.